Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have instructor or admin privileges. Why this matters is simple. Turnitin restricts deletion to protect records. Next, open the course, navigate to the specific assignment, and find the exact submission entry, note student name and timestamp. Once done, copy the assignment ID and submission ID to avoid mistakes later. Make sure you have the original file on hand. You may need it to re-upload or to provide proof when requesting permanent removal. You now perform the deletion. Open the submission details and use the Delete or Remove option in the Action menu. This immediately disassociates the file from Turnitin's repository. If that option is hidden, adjust assignment settings or escalate to your institution's Turnitin admin because repository entries are controlled centrally. Once removal completes, capture a screenshot of the confirmation and note the exact date and time. This documentation is critical if disputes arise or if you later need to request permanent repository purge. Finish by verifying the submission no longer appears in the assignment, student view, or repository searches. You must confirm both instructor and student perspectives. If the deletion fails or the file remains in the repository, escalate. Submit a Turnitin support ticket with assignment ID, submission ID, and screenshots, or ask your institutional admin to request a permanent purge. One key troubleshooting tip. If you don't see expected options, clear cookies. Try another browser and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.